In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your workflow with Quick Favorites in Blender. Quick Favorites is a simple but powerful way to keep your most used tools right at your fingertips. Instead of digging through menus every time you need a command, you can build a small personalized menu that appears instantly when you need it. We'll focus on two things: how to add tools to your Quick Favorites and how to access them quickly while you work. First, let's add a tool or command to your Quick Favorites menu. Find the option you want in any Blender menu. This could be something in the top bar, a right-click context menu, or a menu inside the 3D viewport. When you see the command you want, simply right-click directly on that menu item. From the pop-up that appears, choose Add to Quick Favorites. That's it. You've just saved that command to your personal menu. This works for almost any menu item in Blender, and it's a great way to collect the tools you use all the time. For example, if you're in edit mode and you frequently use extrude or loop cut, right-click those entries and add them. If you're in object mode and you often need shade smooth or set origin, you can add those too. Keep in mind that Quick Favorites is context aware, so items you add in object mode won't appear in edit mode and vice versa, which helps keep your menu clean and relevant to what you're doing. Now let's access your Quick Favorites. Once you've added a few items, press the Q key to open the Quick Favorites menu. You can do this right in the editor where you're working, like the 3D viewport. The menu will pop up under your cursor, showing the tools you've bookmarked. Click the tool you want and it runs immediately. This gives you instant access to your most used tools without searching through multiple menus or remembering exactly where they live. If you press Q and don't see anything, it likely means you haven't added items for the current mode yet. Just switch to the menu where the tool lives, right-click it, add it to Quick Favorites, and try Q again. A quick tip: build your Quick Favorites gradually. Add commands the moment you notice you're reaching for them repeatedly. After a short time, you'll have a compact muscle memory list that speeds up modeling, shading, and scene management. And that's all you need. Right-click to add tools to Quick Favorites and press Q to use them instantly. Try it on your next project and enjoy a smoother, faster Blender workflow.